In this tutorial we will show you how to set up a customized report for multiple recipients. To do so, please go to the Report section, create a new report and choose the Customized Report option. This report type will send your dashboard to a group of recipients, each with recipient-specific prefiltered content. This is archived by assigning certain filter values to each recipient. A customized report contains the three same main sections as standard reports: recipient, content and schedule details. For more details about standard reports, please check our report overview video. Customized reports have additionally a filter and values section, where you can customize the dashboard content for the recipients. Let us explore this in one simple example. First of all, we select here the dashboard and format. Once we did this, the available filters for this dashboard will be shown in the Filter and Values section. For every filter you have two options: user-specific values and global values for all recipients. A global value filter can be easily deactivated with a single click. You can also adjust the values of every single filter in the related dropdown. To add user-specific values to your report, you need to activate the concrete filter in the checkbox. Afterwards you can customize this filter for the selected recipient in the section below. To keep the assignment of filter values as effective as possible, you can work with our Apply Same Values as for function feature. In the dropdown you will find all recipients or groups of recipients of the selected report. Once you are done, you simply click Save and you have successfully set up a customized report with user-specific content.